The bird over there. It's me. Oh, flew away. Starling. Zoom. There he goes. There he goes. He's all the way over by Bakes now. And I can't see him. Wow. I thought I could capture one really great moment that just happened. I thought it was going to continue to happen. These two cats right here. She was over there with him up there. And they were looking out the little slot window at the bird. And these two were right here, and I opened the window, and the bird started singing these funny noises. It almost sounded like a fax machine. And the cat started meowing back at the bird. And then the bird made some noise, and then the cat started going meow, 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 meow. Vibrato meows. Oh well. It's like 7:15 a.m. December 9th, I believe it is. I turned around for a second and my computer went to sleep already. Just started it. Yes, January 9th. January 9th, 2018. And here's all my pretty cats. And it's the first day since Christmas that it's above freezing, they say. It's supposed to be 33 degrees outside. 1 degree above freezing. Whoop-de-doo. But it's better than being 3 below. It was 3 degrees below zero without the wind the other morning. Anyway, stay warm, everyone.